Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial of how you can have a single French braid or Dutch braid. So I like to do this when my hair is very close to needing a wash / already needs a wash and I just want to eke out one more day. So I start by putting some serum on my hands and get my trusty tangle teaser and just go through to tease out any knots. My hair's still manageable and straight from the blow dry I had a few days ago, so that's good. Then I'll take my nice big Mason and Pearson brush and just go over it again, just to feel really nice and fluffy. Then you should brush your hair backwards as though you're going to do a ponytail just at the top, just to get it all going in that direction. Then take a section at the front. So this is going to be the French braid first of all. So take a section at the front, quite small, and then divide it into 3 sections. And from left to right, we're going to wrap over in the direction over the middle of the hair. So you're going to go left over middle, right over middle, left over middle, right over middle. And as you work down your hair, you'll take another section and try to remember which direction was next, left or right. And so you just keep wrapping over and taking a new little section every time you get further down your head. And you can wrap them in tightly if, for example, you want to wear this look to go and work out or something, or you can wrap them quite loosely and have a really nice boho sort of look. I just thought I would show you from the back of my head so that you can see the exact process. And sometimes when you take a new section of hair, you can actually forget which direction you were going in. So it's a good idea to just have a little system where it's like left, right, new section, left, right, new section, for example. So now we're getting down towards the neck, and as you get to this point, you should have taken all of the hair by this point, and now you bring it all together in a braid and wrap to the bottom of the hair, going again as tightly or as loosely as you want to, and secure it with a band. You can spread the sections a bit to create a looser, thicker plait. And then you can just smoothen any sections that might have started to stick out. This always happens with me because I just have too much hair, I think. And then, yeah, if I don't want it to be so tight, I'll sort of pull the sections around a bit just to make it look a bit more boho and show off all the different sort of highlights that you get from the sun and that kind of thing. So now we'll do the Dutch braid. We start in the same way. Just get that section at the front of the hair and we'll split it into 3. It's a similar look, but basically the plait is more shown physically on the outside. So this time you need to wrap under instead of over. So again, it will be a sort of left, right, new section, but instead of wrapping over and into the hair, you're wrapping under so that the plait shows almost like its own kind of separate entity, like it's kind of stuck to your head rather than being like made of your own hair. So yeah, you'll just follow the same process, taking a new little section every time or every other time that you wrap, and you're wrapping underneath. So the 3 little strands, they go under each other. So personally, I think I'll stick with this look for today because I'm planning to have a nice long run later and then a hair wash this evening. Yeah, can hear you all saying, yeah, you need it. So then once again, by the time you've got down to sort of the bottom of the ears, beginning of the neck, you should have all of the hair by now, and you bring it all together in one braid. You can do 2 French plaits or 2 Dutch braids in the same way, just obviously with all of your hair divided in 2. And you know, I even like to incorporate this technique into updos, so to just have like a little section that's Dutch or French braided incorporated with the rest of the updo, and I'll do another tutorial on that. So this is the full Dutch braid look. As you can see, it's just slightly different from the French style. And once again, this is my sort of casual way of wearing it. Personally, I don't like my hair to pull too tightly because it's already so long and heavy, so I don't want too much strain. So I quite like this loose kind of version of the look. So let me know if you enjoyed this and if you tried it yourself. Subscribe to the channel and I'll catch you soon for another video. Bye!